Hi everybody, it's Gail Kessler at Ladyfingers Sewing Center. You know what I have in my hands? This means that we have more boxes to open today to see what's inside. I know I placed an order with Free Spirit lately for some beautiful Widebacks, and from the shape of these two boxes I see down here, it looks like that might be what's in store. So let's see. Okay. It's always fun to get new shipments. Every day feels like the holidays, but I know many of you have been finishing up your UFOs, so we thought we would accommodate that by bringing in some really gorgeous, versatile Widebacks. I don't know about you, but I think this is absolutely splendid. It's called Strawberry Thief, and the color is linen. And I believe they are already on the website now if you want to order, or you can come in by appointment to Ladyfingers Sewing. We are located in beautiful Oley, that's O-L-E-Y, Pennsylvania. The phone number is 610-689-0068, and our address is 6375 Oley Turnpike Road in Oley, PA. We're between Pottstown and Reading if you want to check us out to find out exactly where we are. This is another Strawberry Thief. Look at this. This is Acanthus. I don't know if I'm saying this right. Acanthus. I love the colors. This is a beautiful tealy blue with some hints of green and almost an eggshell color. Gee, I'd be tempted to just quilt this as is, following the design. And another Strawberry Thief. Ooh la la. Oh my goodness. I love this one. I'm gonna have to. This is a gorgeous, beautiful cranberry red and off-white also, and this one is Strawberry Thief simply in red. Some more Widebacks, again from Free Spirit. Okay, here's a Tim Holtz. This is element backing, and it's called Rose Parcel in Taupe. Absolutely fabulous. So if you need a neutral color, here you go. It has some really exciting elements to it. Very arty, very retro. I just love it. Now we're going to go modern, looks like. So this one's pretty cool, isn't it? This one is... It's called Carpet, and this certainly does look like a cave facet print to me. Nice and big, real juicy, really good for all your modern works. Go in the back of those. And here comes another Strawberry Thief. And this one has more colors, some beautiful rust and teal, a little like a taupey gray, and this coloring is called, I can see through the, it's called Autumn. That's pretty appropriate, isn't it? Okay. And last but not least, oh my goodness, now here's a gorgeous kind of a grayscale, kind of a blue-gray, another Strawberry Thief, and this guy is in Mole. So come on down to Ladyfingers or order online at www.ladyfingersewing.com and look for Widebacks, and that's where you'll find all these wonderful fabrics. Till next time, have a great day.